According to the Department of Energy, on average, 30% of the energy consumed in commercial buildings is wasted. You're leaving money on the table and you don't even know it. But how can you solve the problem if you don't even know what the issues are? Which issues are worth solving? Here's the real problem. You think energy is just a fixed cost. In reality, energy is the single most underutilized resource you have. The answer is in your data, and it's staring you in the face. It can help you answer questions like, is my property undervalued? The Naya Energy PEER, or the Property Energy Impact Report, maps your business drivers to a 360 energy review. We know exactly how much you can increase the value of your property by, increase your NOI, know exactly how much each recommendation or rebate program could save you. It's a new way to manage your portfolio, with understandable insights, actionable solutions, and accessible on all your personal Naya dashboards. Contact Naya Energy to learn more or to schedule your PEER today.